Sorted, guys. So, let me explain. Brakes tightened, so they're proper. Now, wires have been sorted. Remember, they were snagged and they were pulled out, so they were like revealing, all the copper and bit like that. So I had to get some electrical tape and sort that out. Everything's working. Brand new throttle. Sorted. Yeah, guys, everything's up to standard and working now, you know what I mean? Just like I said I would. So that is it, guys. The Reid scooter is all done. Yeah, so brakes have been tightened. The wires, the naked wires that were showing, that was, snagged, that's, taped up like with electrical tape, neatened, tucked away, pulled in, so it doesn't get caught on anything whilst riding. Um, yeah, screen, everything's done there. Brand new throttle, installed. Everything's done. It's all ready to go. Yeah, guys, all done, sorted.